Hi guys, Graeme from Trading College here. I would just like to go over a trade that I took this week, yesterday actually. I had just come back from holiday and I was looking for a relatively straightforward way to trade the markets and nothing too clever, just to try and get me back into the flow of the markets. And you can see here, this is the daily chart here on the right hand side. You can see that we had the pro trading system fired a short, which is the sort of initial indicator that lets us know that the market might go in a potential move in a certain direction. And you can see here this direction will be down. Then we had a few red candles. We can see that we've got red momentum in the storyteller, which is telling us that the market's losing the momentum to the upside and it's on a bit of a pullback. We also had a trend predictor short here, which is one of our softwares that the company provide when you become a student, and that also helps you predict the next move of the market. So with this bigger time frame bias, I was really looking for any excuse to go short on the smaller time frame. So I dropped down to the 1 hour chart, and under normal circumstances, you would enter the market most likely here when the candles break the EMAs and you get a momentum trigger. We call this a momentum trigger, and it fires short. But I actually missed this because I was doing something else. This was in the morning time. But you can see here this blue candle. What the blue candle means is it's another excuse to get into the downtrend, another excuse to go short. But what this blue candle is doing is bringing you better value. So it's allowing you to get back into the market at a discounted rate. So I was sort of closely watching this candle, waiting for it to close to see if it sort of still continued to give me the downside signal. And I was really looking to make sure it wasn't the end of the move. And given we were only a few bars in, I felt that it was still more likelihood of a downside move here, which you can see we got here. But in this scenario, what I'm then doing is jumping down to my smaller time frame, which was my 15-minute chart here, and I'm looking for any excuse really in a breakdown to get down into these lower levels. And you can see that the price actually started to break down, and we made a sort of lower high here on the smaller time frame, and actually entered the market at 18,040 here, hit the sell button, and the market continued to drop all the way down here. And using some of the other tools and systems that we have here at Trading College, I entered at 17,919, which is one of the levels. I'm usually looking for that end shape, the sort of return to the end shape. So in here would normally be a sort of initial target, but the market was dropping so hard, as you can see here. It was such a quick downside that really within sort of 45 minutes, I had hit the target, and I was happy with, obviously, with the profit here. So a lovely way to return back to the markets. I had a few other good trades, a winner and a loser there, doing a very similar type of trading, really just trend trading and following the market here, but significantly aided with the tools and the technology and the education that you get here at Trading College. Back from a holiday and paid for the next one. So lovely way to come back. Nice and simple. You can see the colours help you, the tools help you here. It's a fantastic way to learn to trade. It's incredibly powerful software. And if you would like to find out more, please book a callback. There's a link to our callback booking diary. You can book a date and a time that suits you, and you can speak to Chris or Tamsin, our course advisors. And they'll talk you through the pro trading course and the systems and the software that you get as part of that. And we also have the Pro Trader AI course where you can actually automate your trades. So, for example, you could have a momentum trigger bot just taking these downside trades for you whilst you're at work or out with the kids or on a beach or whatever you want to be doing. And we also have mentorship as well, where you can get that one-to-one support if you want to accelerate your learning. We have a fantastic mentorship program here at Trading College. I have done them all and I highly recommend them. So as I say, book that callback. It's totally free to speak to our course advisors, and you can get more information on what we do here and all the wonderful things that we help you with on a daily basis. We have daily chat room sessions where coaches will come in and help you and give you heads up on where they think the market's going to go, and you can benefit from their wealth of experience. And as I say, you can get that one-to-one support with PTC days and also one-to-one mentorship. So yeah, book that call back. We can also help you get funded so you can trade with other people's money and make much more profit with the bigger scaled accounts. So highly worth it, guys. Like and subscribe the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.